How do I access my 1099-G form on Turbotax?
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to access your 1099-G form on Turbotax. Whether you've received unemployment compensation or had a tax refund last year, you'll need this form when preparing your taxes. It's essential to report accurately to avoid any potential issues with the IRS.
What is a 1099-G form?
Before we dive into the steps, it's crucial to understand what a 1099-G form is. The 1099-G is an IRS tax form used to report certain types of government payments like unemployment compensation or state tax refunds. If you've received these payments, the respective government agency should send you a 1099-G.
Preparing to access Turbotax.
1. Log in. First and foremost, make sure you've signed into your Turbotax account. 2. Have your information handy. It's good to have any necessary personal information or documents you might need for verification nearby. 3. Use a secure connection. Always ensure you're using a private and secure connection when accessing financial or personal data online.
Accessing the 1099-G form on Turbotax.
1. Go to the Income section. Once logged in, navigate to the Income section of Turbotax. 2. Search for 1099G in the search bar. Type in 1099G. Turbotax will guide you to the appropriate section. 3. Enter your details. Follow the prompts and enter the information from your 1099G form. If you didn't receive a physical copy, you might need to obtain it from the respective government agency or check if it's available electronically on their website. 4. Review carefully. Once you've inputted all the information, ensure everything is accurate to avoid any discrepancies.
What if I can't find my 1099-G?
If you're expecting a 1099-G but haven't received it, 1. Contact the issuing agency. The government agency responsible for your payments should provide it. 2. Check online portals. Some states offer online systems where residents can download their 1099-G forms. 3. Wait patiently. Sometimes forms can be delayed. However, ensure you get it before the tax filing deadline or request an extension if necessary. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide makes your tax preparation process a little smoother. Remember, the 1099-G is essential for accurately reporting your income, so always double-check your entries. If you have more questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to a tax professional. Happy filing!